just want to respond to what the governor has been highlighting, to say that he wants the honorable members to be ambassadors of ZIG. This is actually quite unfortunate that he now wants us to be the ambassadors of ZIG. Yet in the first place, he was told that he was going to be the governor on the 11th of September. There was never consultation with the same members of parliament that he now wants to be ambassadors of ZIG. So this is really the point that you raised, Honorable Chair, when you first asked the question about consultations, to say, are we part of the critical stakeholders as members of parliament? If we are part of the critical stakeholders, why is it the governor never bothered to appear before the Committee of Budget to then consult or then to say this is what he's intending to do, than for us to be at the tail end, of the, to be the last people to know about ZIG and now calling him before the committee, because we represent the people and now he wants us to be the ambassadors of ZIG. Yet in the first place, there was never consultations with any members of parliament. He consulted with the business, with the chambers of commerce and so forth. So this is just, a point that I really want the governor to also respond to say, why should we be the ambassadors of ZIG? Yet in the first place, he never, approached us since his appointment as the governor. Thank you.
Thank you, Honorable. First of all, I officially became governor on the 28th of March. If I had come to you on the 15th of September, you would have said to me, who are you? But I was able to interact with those in the society that I was used to interacting with, who would not ask me in what capacity I am making those consultations. If I had been announced as governor on the 11th of September, in fact, you would have called me to this committee. It is unfortunate, Honorable Mamombe, that as a citizen of Zimbabwe and as a representative of the people who elected you, if you say you don't want to be an ambassador of an important, groundbreaking introduction of a currency, then who is going to be the ambassador? My understanding, you honorable members, is that as members of parliament, you are the link of the people to government, link of the people to the central bank, link of the people to anything. And hence my appeal to you to say, if we are to get this message through to the people, to the grassroots, we would kindly ask that you avail your office, you avail yourself, so that we explain to your people, so that they are not exploited by unscrupulous people who will come and say, this is a ZIG, and get their vote, when in fact they are giving them a piece of paper. That is my plea. It's okay, Honorable, if you don't want to do it, but maybe others will do it.
Thank you, Governor, and I don't think we want honorable members to have some exchanges here. I think the issue got the correct answer, and we want to move forward.